This is Kamran. Welcome to this comprehensive course designed for QA automation engineers, university students, and individuals who want to start a career in programming. In the previous video, we talked about how to install Python. In this session, we will install the IDE, PyCharm, and write our first code. Let's start. You can download and install Python by following these 9 steps. First, you have to go to the JetBrains website where you can download. Once this website is opened, go and check for the community version. Click on the download section. Now, you need to select this community edition. Click on the download version. If you are using in Windows, you should select the Windows installer. But if you download it for Mac, you need to select your Mac version, Apple Silicon or Intel. In my case, I should download it for Intel. Once the download starts, you have to wait to complete the download. Once your download is completed, just click on the executable file. And now if you are using Mac, you can just drag and drop it here and then follow the steps. In my case, I already have PyCharm community version installed in my computer. Let me open the PyCharm. Now, in the PyCharm screen, you will be creating a new. In my case, I have already installed PyCharm and I'm working on a project. But in your case, you need to create your own new project. For this, I'm creating training project. You just need to click on create button, and you need to go to the new window. Now, this is your PyCharm project. You need to add your new file from new Python file and just give a name, training day 1. You just need to write the code here in your PyCharm file, like print. This is my first code. Just right click there and run the code. And now you will see your code is running. So you can download and install Python and start coding by following these steps. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. In our next video, we will talk about comments and keywords in Python. Thank you so much.